Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Accord. The plan is to have two videos today. First video is going to be getting the wideband hooked up and those injectors installed in the Accord. Next video will be us doing a Basemap tune on it and getting the car more drivable and everything like that on the Honda. So we got to pull this rail off and get those injectors in here and everything. Hopefully they fit with these injector clips. And then I'm going to be taking the downpipe back off. I got to make a hole in it to weld in the bung and everything for the O2 sensor for the wideband, and then run the cables up into the car and get it connected obviously in here and get it put in that pod right there. Alright guys, so got that in, sensor's connected on it, it's all tightened down. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on the car, and then we'll get to running the power to it and all that stuff. And then, yeah, we can stop the injectors in, and we gotta put the 4-bar map sensor on as well, check the fluids, make sure everything is good and stuff like that. And then we should be able to get this thing base mapped at that point where it's gonna be running on those injectors and be able to build a little bit of boost. So let's get this put on. So we got the downpipe back on, the sensor's right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start running the wires and everything for it all into the car. So what I'll be doing first is putting the gauge in the pod in here and then push all the wires through and then run the wires to where they need to go. This one will go into the engine bay to the sensor, and then this one here, you'll just have your power and ground source. So let's go ahead and get that put together. Alright guys, so the gauge is in, all this is back together. I just got to put this cable up. I have the other one zip tied up, but I'm just leaving this like this for now. I'm about to connect the battery and test to see if it's working and got power and all that good stuff, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to connect the battery and then we'll fire this baby up. Well, would you look at that? I did it right. So I'm going to let it heat up and then start up the car and see, you know, what the car is running. It should be running probably stupid rich, or maybe lean, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this baby fired up. Alright, you guys saw wideband was moving and doing its thing. Obviously it's going to fluctuate because the idle air control valve is not connected to ICV, so that's why it's fluctuating up and down like that. But it's connected, it's working, that's good. I hate that beeping sound. So that's all good. Now let's go ahead and clean this area up right here so we can get the Honda and everything there. Alright, so this lady says she wants to do the injectors, so by all means get her done. I don't like messing with the fuel stuff. So if there's any leaks, it's because of her, guys.
No, I don't know.
So down in the comments I want to see it. If you guys see leaks in this video, it's because of her.
No.
Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna let her get this rail pulled out and I'm gonna grab the other injectors. I'm gonna swap all the O-rings and everything over, and hopefully it all connects. These plugs should plug right into that injector just because those are OBD2 injectors. So yeah, let her get this did. Alright guys, so unfortunately we cannot use these injectors. They will not work. So wah wah wah. We can still need injectors, guys, but we're gonna base map the car still on the stock injectors. At least we can get it to idle properly and all that stuff, and we can do some little poppity pop boom boom booms and shoot some flamey flames, you know. But right now, 4-bar map sensor time. We'll go ahead and get this baby thrown in right now. Boom, and it's on. So got the battery unplugged. Gonna go ahead and plug in the Honda and get it all set up on the laptop and everything. But you guys already know what I said in the beginning of this video. For that, you guys gotta wait till the next video. I know, I'm sorry to do this to you guys, but we gotta have consistent content, and this will put me 2 days ahead. So when I come tomorrow to make the next video on the car, we're still ahead, you know? So you guys will see videos a little behind, then like real time, but there's constant content for you guys, and that's what you guys want to see. So yeah, maybe I'll be nice, and if everything goes well with the base map and everything, I'll insert a couple clips of like some poppity poop boom booms, you know, to be nice, you know, to give you guys a little teaser, you know. But yeah, I mean, got the wideband on. Injectors, I mean, that was a fail. So I mean, I didn't pay for them. My buddy just had them. He said try them out. If they work, just give me the cash. If not, bring them back. Which the injectors themselves will work. It's just the top hats. I guess I got to get taller ones or something. I don't know. But at this point, I'm just going to order injectors, brand new, and don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, he's going to get all that set up. And then you guys will see that in the next video. So please guys, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.